up, guys? So today I want to talk about diet drinks. Okay, so diet drinks are basically the low calorie, no sugar type of drinks you see in the supermarket, basically every store, you know. So I'm gonna talk about what I think about diet drinks and should you buy them. Are they useful for dieting, when you're craving something? So me personally, I like a lot of diet drinks. I know there's a lot of myths going on about diet drinks being super unhealthy, being even unhealthier than the regular versions, which I don't believe. I don't believe in that shit. But I think diet drinks can be a great idea. It can be a great inclusion into your diet. Because when I'm a guy, I like energy drinks. So I like Monster Energy. I like a lot of those energy drinks, but the problem is a can has 200 calories. That doesn't fit into my diet. I don't want it to fit in. So you have alternatives. You have low calorie, no calorie, zero sugar Monster versions, which do the job. They give you a caffeine boost for the energy, and they taste somewhat good. So that's why I like to use diet drinks. You have Diet Coke, a lot of diet soda, a lot of different versions, and I like them all. I sometimes, when I'm really deep into the diet and I'm craving something, something sweet, I buy a pack of that, sugar-free Coca-Cola, Coke Zero, and I like to drink that. It gets rid of the cravings. It tastes almost the same like the regular Coke, and it doesn't have any sugar. Now let me talk about the problem about diet drinks. Now, a lot of drinks that say they have no calories, that's a lie. No drink can exist that has 0 calories except water. Everything that's added to that is not 0 calorie. It's very low calorie, but the food companies, they can get away with putting on the label no calories. But you should always check the nutritional label, because it always states that per 1 cup of Coca-Cola, you get about, 8 to 10 calories, which is not a lot, but it adds up. If you drink a lot of that, if you drink 2-3 bottles, it can almost add up to 100-200 calories. So you gotta keep in mind that it isn't 0 calories. Even the little sugar-free energy drinks, they still have 8 calories per can. So you should still keep an eye on that. It has 2 grams of carbs, which equals 8 calories. And you should definitely count those carbs and those calories to your daily macros. So you can't forget about that, because it adds up pretty quickly. Just like eating healthy food, you still have to count the calories, because it can add up pretty quickly, even if it's low calorie. But to conclude the video, guys, diet drinks, I strongly advise, I love diet drinks. They're a great addition, but you gotta be careful. Some brands, they say low calories, but then you check the label and it has a lot. It has maybe 20-30 calories per cup, which adds up to over 100 calories per bottle. So you just gotta keep an eye on the nutritional label. But drinks like Coke Zero, sugar-free energy drinks, sugar-free Monster, those are great. I love to use those myself because I love energy drinks. You know, I always drink at least 1 to 2 cans of sugar-free energy drink a day because, you know, I love a lot of caffeine, but I don't drink that much coffee. You know, I drink 1 or 2 cups of coffee and 1 to 2 cans of sugar-free energy drink per day. So, should you use energy drinks? If you want to, you know, if they fit in your diet, if you're really craving something sweet, then you should really try some diet drinks because I definitely think they're gonna help you out. You know, but keep in mind you should always check the label to see if the company doesn't want to deceive you with the calories and the carbs, you know. But diet drinks, awesome. I pretty much, you know, up until my last few weeks, you know, about 8 to 12 weeks of dieting when I have left, when I get those strong cravings, that's when I start to use diet drinks. Not a lot, you know, maybe a bottle of Coke Zero and a few sugar-free energy drinks, just like I always use, and that does the job, you know. It's something different than water because when you're drinking water constantly, you get used to it, you know, it gets boring, and a lot of people, they need some more excitement in their diet. So drinking a glass of ice cold Coke Zero can definitely do the job, you know. So you should definitely use diet drinks. If you think they're gonna help you with your goals, you should definitely use them. But if you don't want to, you don't need to. It's all based on you, your personal preferences, and your goals. That's why it's personal fitness, because it's based on you. If you want to and they're gonna help you, definitely use them. If you don't, then just don't. That was it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to leave a comment about your favorite sugar-free drinks. You know, what are your favorite diet drinks? Leave a like on this video and definitely subscribe. It's gonna help a lot. Peace out, guys.